Going on a bird walk. Dee gets a surprise. Dee, a package came for you in the mail, Mom yelled. It's from Granny. Dee scrambled downstairs to see what her grandmother sent. It wasn't even close to her birthday. She didn't know what to expect. What is it? Dee asked her mother. I don't know, her mother answered, but only the way to find out is to open it. Dee ripped through the brown paper and opened the box. She took out something strange. It was a small wooden spool attached to a metal key. Then she took out the book with pictures, colorful birds in the cover. The title of the book was Common Birds Their Calls. Oh, look, Dee said. There's CD, too. And there's the note from Granny. Dee opened it. The note, it said, Dear Dee, Grampy and I was going on a bird walk 2 weeks. We would love to take you with us. Read the book, listen to the CD. Then practice use the bird calls to make bird sounds. See you soon, love, Grammy. This must be a bird call, Dee said. This is how we use it. Dee held the wooden part of the bird call in one hand. She held on the metal key in another. Then she twisted the key. It takes a little practice. Squee! Ouch! That hurts my ears, Dee said. Let me try that instead. She twisted the bird call again. Scree! Scree! That takes practice, laughed Mom. You'll get it and keep trying. Dee reached and listened and practiced. She made screeches and squeaks. She didn't make tweets and chirps. She really didn't think bird calls would work. Early one morning, Grammy and Grampy came out to pick Dee. They drove on a beautiful park for a bird walk. Dee and her grandparents walked down the path into the woods. Suddenly, Grampy said, What's that? Dee listened, but she heard nothing. There's it again, says Grampy. Oh, Dee, said quietly. That sounds like a chicken. Grampy put her arms around Dee. You're right, Grammy said proudly. Dee took the bird call out from her pocket. She twisted the key just as hard as she practiced. Your bird call make him come, said Granny. Look. Dee looked where Grammy pointed. There was the same bird was in her book. Wow, she said. I never thought this would work, but it does. Good job, said Grampy. Now let's see what else we can find. Dee heard many birds that day. She knew that most of them were before she ever saw them. I never know that so many birds live here in my house, she said. Each bird sounds so different from the others. Each bird has their own color too. Dee felt so happy on the drive home. I can't wait to go on a book walk again, she thought. Until then, she thought, I'll draw pictures of all birds I saw today, and I'll keep practicing the bird sound with my bird call.